This extraordinary residence erases all doubts. This is one of Sydney's finest oceanfront properties to come to market in many years. Consider it to be the ultimate expression of cutting-edge architectural design, tailored for an uncompromising lifestyle on the beach, with every possible luxury at your fingertips. I'm James Baker from McGrath Pittwater, and I'm joined today with my colleague Lauren Garner at 190 Barrenjoey Road, right over the centre of Bungan Beach. Completed in 2023 to exacting specifications, this residence is a symphony of elegance and geometry. The boldness of its vision is stunning, and the meticulous focus on the smallest details is abundantly clear. The tri-level design seems to sail over Bungan Beach, creating a level of sophistication rarely found in Australian architecture. It's near impossible to cover off all the exceptional features, from the custom-designed home office to a world-class chef's kitchen and butler's pantry. An entire level is devoted to poolside entertaining on quite a grand scale. There's a fully equipped bar, outdoor kitchen, sauna and oceanfront massage room. 3 palatial bedrooms are placed on the upper level, each one with an ensuite, while guest accommodation is privately set back from the main residence. The home is spectacular on its own terms. But high-end auto connoisseurs can only dream about the showroom quality 10-car garage tucked just behind the home. It's complete with a car lift and another garage at street level. I can promise you there's nothing remotely like it in an oceanfront setting. This area is absolutely pristine. If a car collection isn't top of mind, it's easily transformed into additional living space, a gym or artist studio. As you can see, this is one of the finest oceanfronts to come to market in a long time. It's a singular design tailored for an uncompromising lifestyle on the beaches, with every single luxury at your fingertips. I'm James Baker from McGrath Pittwater, and both Lauren and I look forward to personally showing you through.